Hello, I'm Jessica Hutchison, Community Relations Representative with Pruitt Health Hospice. The first thing I would like to mention is just to give you a definition of what hospice is. We are a compassionate care for people facing a life-limiting illness. A lot of questions people like to ask is what covers hospice services. And so I'd like to tell everyone that Medicare and Medicaid cover hospice at 100%, as well as most private insurances. We also cover patients wherever they reside, whether it be in home, in a nursing home, or in assisted living. Our nurses are trained in pain management, and we also provide spiritual and emotional support to our patients and families. Part of our team, we have nurse case managers, we have CNAs, chaplains, social workers, as well as volunteers. Please call us at Pruitt Health Hospice of Swainsboro. We're here, we're available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We want to be there for you and your family. Please give us a call.